These chicken tikka naans are so soft and cheesy that you will not just stop at one. And trust me, they were so delicious. I just couldn't believe I made them myself. And now, to make the dough, we take some refined flour and make a well in the center. Then we add some yeast, salt, sugar, and Greek yogurt to it. After fighting with the dough, we keep it aside for an hour to rest and become swollen. And now to make the chicken tikka, we will add the kukurokku in a bowl and add some ginger garlic paste to it, Kashmiri red chili powder, black pepper powder, some grounded cumin, a very little grounded coriander, salt, half a teaspoon of tomato puree, and squeeze half a lemon into it with some yogurt. And after mixing all the ingredients, we keep the kukuruku aside for around 10 minutes, then cook it on a slow flame and top it up with some chopped cilantro. And after removing it from the flame, we add 1 teaspoon of cream cheese to it. And now we get the swollen dough, which is doubled in size, and cut it into 4 equal parts. And then we add the chicken tikka filling to the dough and spread it generously and top it up with some mozzarella cheese. Just cover the pan and cook the naans for 5 minutes on each side, and your naans are ready to be served. Enjoy them with any chutney or dip of your choice. And if you have liked the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, that's important.